After you learn this trick, you'll never cook meat the same way again. For this recipe, we'll need 1 kilo of pork, and I'll start by poking it with a knife. Done that, I'll place the meat in a baking dish. Next, I'll add 2 sliced onions. In a bowl, I'll mix a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix well. Now I'll pour the sauce over the meat in the dish and spread it well. Now I'll cover with plastic wrap and let it marinate for 40 minutes. And before I forget, tell me what city you're watching from, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Laura Brown from Dublin, Ireland. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. After that, I'll remove the wrap, take the meat, and place it on these strings I've already prepared. Then I'll place the oven rack on top and tie the meat to the rack using the string. In a baking pan, I'll place 1 cup of rice, 1 red bell pepper chopped, 4 sliced onions, 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and place it in the oven. Then I'll place the rack above and roast at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. And tell me, how do you cook pork at home? I'd love to hear your recipe. You'll love the results so much that you'll want to make this recipe often. This meat recipe turns out incredibly delicious. Make it at home and come back to tell me what you thought. I'm sure you'll love it.